Hi guys, welcome back to today's class with your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenny. Okay, so today is February 10th, 2021. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention that today is Wednesday. So it will be Wednesday, February 10th, 2021. And what we are going to see today is how to describe people. How people are. Okay? Okay, let's start. So, to describe people, we use the verb to be. The verb to be is, are, and am. We use is with he, she, it. We use are with you, we, they. We use am with the I. We put the pronoun, the verb to be, and then the adjective. So we add the adjective next to the verb to be. So it will be I am intelligent. Pronoun, verb to be, adjective. You are young. You are young. Pronoun, verb to be, adjective. The teacher is old. The teacher is old. Okay, pronoun, verb to be, subject, verb to be, adjective. She is shy. The dog is brave. We are funny. They are messy. And let's practice with this activity. Okay? So. What do we use with he? Do we say he is tall, he are tall, or he am tall? Well, we don't use am with the he. It's not he am tall. Is he are tall? No. So the right answer is he is tall. Let's see the next one. She is pretty, she are pretty, or she am pretty. Well, it's not she are pretty. It doesn't sound right. Is she am pretty? No. We use she is pretty. Let's see the next one. They is elegant, they are elegant, or they am elegant. Do we use they is elegant? No, we don't use they is elegant. It doesn't sound right, guys. Let's see the other one. They am elegant? I don't think so. They am elegant? We don't say it like that. We use are. They are elegant. Let's see the next one. You is short. You are short, or you am short. That's hard. You is short. I don't think so. It doesn't sound right. You am short? No. You am short? No. We use you are short. Okay. Let's see the next one. With we. What do we use with we? We is chubby, we are chubby, or we am chubby? Can you tell it? I'm gonna give you a hint. It's not am. We only use am with I. So it's not am. Is we is chubby or we are chubby? Yes, we are chubby. Very good. Let's see the next one. I is muscular, I are muscular, or I am muscular. I I is muscular? No. I are muscular? No. I am muscular? Yes. Let's the last one, guys. The cat is ugly, the cat are ugly, or the cat am ugly. Let's see. The cat am ugly? I don't think so. Cat am ugly? No. Let's see the next one. The cat are ugly? Doesn't sound right. The cat is ugly? Yes, the cat is ugly. Very good. So what you need to remember is that is goes with he, she, and it. Are goes with you, we, and they. And am goes with the I. So that will be all for today. Thank you for watching the video. See you tomorrow and have a very nice day. Okay? Goodbye, guys.